Hi, my name is Kathleen Pacyna, and I am Sun's Worldwide Marketing Manager for our Customer Management Solutions program. The program has been around for the last 7 years, and Sun has been focused on an initiative we've trademarked as the Customer Management Solutions program. The program provides integrated solutions that allow users to effectively communicate and interact with both internal and external customers, providing real-time support, access, and service. Through Sun's alliances with independent software vendors, resellers, and commercial systems integrators, CMS integrates the telephone, computer, and other technologies to help customers enhance customer service support and management processes through call centers, the internet, intranet, and extranet, and Java computing solutions. We have over 600 customers worldwide, and they include companies like Fleet Bank, British Telecom, and Thomas Cook Travel. In a recent survey done by Information Week of 729 IT managers called Redefining IS, they found that customer service tops technology business agendas. Improving customer service in both 1997 and 1998 is their #1 business priority. The market for customer management is exploding. Recent market research that was done by Forrester says that in 1996 the market was about $620 million, but by the year 2000 it'll be about $3.5 billion. And that's in terms of application license revenue for software licenses. Also, for call centers, the World Wide Web customer interaction market opportunity will grow from last year from $77 billion to $227 billion by the year 2000. And that includes hardware, software, network service providers, outsourcers, systems integrators, and consultants. Sun CMS program includes help desk and customer support applications, customer service applications, Salesforce automation, call centers, and field service and logistics across all major industries, including telecommunications and utilities, manufacturing and high technology, financial services, including insurance, government, education, retail, healthcare, and the travel and hospitality industries. Some of the CMS partners that we have in our program include companies like Siebel Software, Vantiv, Astia, Rubrik, Scopus, Orem, VoiceTech, BrightVoice, Nuance for speech recognition, Pure Speech, Cordian Software, Graham Technologies, Foresight Software for field service management and logistics, as well as Metrics and RTS. Many of these companies have huge market shares based on Sun and are doing their internal development on Sun hardware and using and moving to the Java thin client application tiers. When we work with customers in the CMS program, we find that the way that they're implementing, or the phases that they're moving through implementing these customer management solutions, is that they start out by making the decision whether or not they're going to focus on customer service as a core competency. Some of them decide that it's too expensive to do so, and they're looking at outsourcing opportunities through systems integrators. If they decide to focus on call centers, then they're looking at upgrading that technology. Today's call center is the intelligent call center. It combines both inbound and outbound campaigns called call blending and the use of cross-selling. Over time, companies are looking at internet enabling those call centers or web enabling them, and then they're moving to voice over IP, which is blending voice and data networks using Internet Protocol network to carry traffic. And over time, they're looking at adding collaboration to that in the form of document sharing, chat, video, fax, and gateway to the local phone networks. So let's take a little bit of a closer look at what each of those areas covers. For Internet or web-enabled call centers, many of the technologies to web-enable these call centers are already in place. And call center users are seeing tangible benefits from connecting to the use of this new electronic channel. Continued growth of browser functionality in conjunction with these evolving networks and standards for supporting real-time IP-based interactions will position the World Wide Web as a desirable channel for commerce and customer service, complementing the traditional call center. Companies are looking to be able to increase revenues and customer access options. They're not looking at being able to replace agents. However, the customer service goal is for companies to make a customer as self-sufficient as possible so that more skilled agents can handle these complex calls. In terms of voice over IP and adding collaboration, many call centers already handle a mix of telephone and fax calls, and some respond to internet communication by normal email or through web pages. But the problem is that I can't get my email because I'm waiting for your fax. With the advent of multimedia CTI, when the caller and the call center will be able to communicate in 2 or more different multimedia simultaneously, this problem will be solved. Java Enterprise Telephony will solve the problem by managing the call as it passes through and consistently bringing all the data about the call together. If CTI is the backbone of electronic commerce, one of the obvious paths is Internet-based thin client, and Java is the language of the Internet. If you look at the World Wide Web customer service lifecycle, you'll see that you begin with market development, which is defining and conveying a message to the target market, and then you move to demand creation, which is eliciting interest from potential customers, toward demand conversion, converting interest into an order, fulfillment, which is completing the sale by delivering the product or the service to the customer, and customer support, providing the purchaser with the information, help, warranty, and maintenance, repair, services, and support following the sale. Customer retention and regeneration is also very important, building a strong relationship with the purchaser so that they will purchase other company products and services and recommend to others. The web's role in electronic business can also fulfill a critical component in the sales cycle, post-sales service and support. Websites can also include services such as assistance in tracking orders, help in assembling and installing products, delivery of upgrades and patches online, access to FAQs or frequently asked questions, or knowledge databases for answering support questions. Customers moving to Java are discovering Java-based applets are robust and offer a more graphical and interactive user interface. The server stores the program and the data, and the client runs the program and the data. This slide shows examples of what a customer service agent might see delivered to a browser that was built with Java applets. So at the top you'll see a display applet for call center performance. Next you'll see a call applet for statistics about the call center, and there's also a database applet for customer information. So the new paradigm for computing is the Java computing model. Many organizations have built up data networks over the past decade, and they're now evaluating ways to incorporate telephony into that network. Java provides many solutions for service delivery. The architecture greatly reduces maintenance, administration, training, and installation expenses across the enterprise. Customers moving to Java are discovering Java-based applets are robust, and Java computing spans from pagers to fault-tolerant servers. JTAPI, the Java Telephony API, is a set of modular APIs that lets firms develop Java-based applications for computer telephony. JTAPI is designed to serve a broad range or a broad audience from call centers to voice-enabled web solutions. Applications written for JTAPI are portable across platforms with no modification. JTAPI code is independent of the platform or the phone system. JTAPI brings the Internet and Internet advantages of Java to the CTI environment and enables Internet telephony and other web-based customer service capabilities that directly link to call centers. Many companies have legacy databases that they would like to connect to a customer management system, such as an outbound call center for telemarketing or an inbound for customer service. JTAPI's core Java API allows a company to obtain legacy data through the JDBC. By Java enabling a customer management network, companies can easily deploy thin client network computers such as the Sun's Java Station into CTI environments, including call centers and internal help desks environments. Network computers can dramatically reduce a company's administration costs by as much as 75%, eliminating, ultimately lowering the total cost of ownership. Java is much more than a language that does web page animation. No one can predict what channels and devices or appliances will be available tomorrow. The way to integrate and provide a consistent user interface across all customer touchpoints is Java. Java provides a flexible application development environment, reducing time to market. It can leverage other applications written by Java and provides for portability and reusability. Key benefits of employing Java in your customer service environment include reusable services, supporting multiple clients through standard interfaces, use of multiple and third-party delivery channels such as the internet, intranet, call center, self-service, smart card, or mobile computing, reuse of these common components for faster development and implementation and support delivery to multiple channels, leveraging your existing investments or protecting existing investments, and providing time to market and operational improvements. The opportunities for commercial systems integrators in this space is that these solutions are very complex and often integrate other portions of enterprise applications, things like data warehousing, data mining, access to the legacy mainframe. Many of the business application vendors are CTI enabling their applications across ERP, MRP, supply chain management, financial and accounting packages, and we need the help of commercial systems integrators to take all of the different pieces that Sun and our partners have and integrate them and help them with customers. Another trend will be for integrators as well as system resellers to build totally configured systems built to order and ship them to the CTI VARs. This will provide the CTI VARs with less risk and a quicker response to customers. There will still be a need to provide integration services to existing legacy systems and other integration to the customer databases. The computer telephony integration VAR will also be able to buy and build solutions if they desire, and the systems integrators as well as resellers can expand your traditional offerings and move into more open platforms, particularly through the use of Java. And this will allow you to accommodate larger and more diversified CTI solutions working on one platform. And this will broaden your market and your opportunity tremendously and offer more opportunities for revenue for you. Look forward to working with you in the future. Thanks very much for your time and attention.